Good day. So I just removed the so-called oil net filter. Let's have a look at the spare parts catalog diagram. Looks like that. And they call it an oil net filter. And this is what I saw. There's some debris in there, but it's not too dirty. It wasn't difficult to take out. I mentioned before that I have this tool that I use for my Hayabusa front axles, and the 19mm end fits in that cap, and I used a 24mm wrench. It's a bit of leverage. It was not too tight, and to grab onto it, they give you a couple of places you can do it. You can see maybe you can see that hole there. Other side. And the end of this thing. And I used this handy exhaust spring puller that I used one of my other bikes to install an exhaust spring on the exhaust. So this come in handy. It isn't in there too tight. It didn't take too much force to pull it out, but it definitely doesn't just flip around. It's a bit snug, and I got it out. So I'll give this a wash in solvent, put it back in, and now I know. We know what's in there. Looks like that. So there you have it, the so-called oil net filter in my 2025 Ducati V2. Thanks for watching.